So yeah guys, an organized and failure to make a blueprint to do this, right? Not anymore because guess what? I am literally farming for my money, picking on my boat, buying stuff in the Philippines during Halalan 2026. Yes, may amethyst bottles, mayroon naman ini battery nice. So yeah, I am making more malice and stuff. Motivated naman ba ito naman this bottle for the boy. I am going to a Paldo Manin Calvario City. Hope not. Oh wait, that's how I realize again. Be right back. Summon the origin human science back. I did not look at this monstrosity that JV have to do with the blueprints. Hindi ko na talaga natasaban sila po niya connect lang in this moment. See, that's my target. And that's how you farm so that you can get money and be like a Paldo, like me. Hold on, you in love with a quarter, so that means I'm not a Paldo, just a poor property in my life.